So what they are saying is that this is 12, and this 12 is divided here at E. Now this part, this part, these are four equal parts. Therefore, PE and EO would be equal to 6 and 6. So we have found PE, we have found EO, both are equal to 6. Similarly, what we did was that this hole is 15 centimeter. This hole is 15 centimeter. This has been given as 9 centimeter. This is 9 centimeter. Now because this is 9 centimeter, 15 minus 9 would be equal to 6, and therefore this would be 6 centimeter. Mr. Sarthak, do we agree?
Yes, sir.
So what you did was to find the area of the shaded triangle D and E. What you did was you found the area of the full triangle MNOP. You subtracted the area of triangle DPE. You subtracted the area of triangle NOE, and you subtracted the area of triangle MND. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
1 second, Sarthak. 1 second. So, Mr. Sarthak, any doubt till here?
No, sir.
So, area of triangle MNOP, this would be equal to 15 into 12. This is 15 into 12 minus area of DPE. This DPE, this is the area that I'm talking about. This would be equal to half of base into height. Height is 9 minus half area of NOE. This is NOE. This is half base into height 15 minus half area of MND. This is MND. This would be half base into height 6. Mr. Sarthak, do we agree?
Yes, sir.
So this, we need to solve this to find the area of this triangle. So basically this triangle, we have found the area of the rectangle, then we subtracted the area of the three smaller triangles. The three smaller triangles look something like this, this and this. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt till here?
No, sir.
And then you solve for this and then you find the value. What is the answer that you found, Mr. Sarthak?
So 180 minus 108.
180 180 minus 108. So was the final answer 72?
Yes, sir.
So if the values are in centimeter, the final answer is in centimeter square. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Great, sir. So